So let's say your tire's not holding air and you find the leak. You come to find out it's already a plug that just ain't holding. So I'm gonna just assume that the other guy didn't know what he was doing, and maybe this is a cheap China plug. I don't know. So I'm gonna try to replug this and see what happens. So a couple things we're gonna use. Needle nose. Gonna try to rip this one out. Got our tire plug kit. Comes with tire plugs. We went ahead and got the deluxe so we can get the full T-grip handle, because you never know how it's gonna act. Same with the reamer. They also come with like some rubber cement type stuff. I ain't never seen my daddy use this, but apparently you're supposed to, otherwise it wouldn't come with it. Maybe they didn't use it. So we're gonna try to be quick about this. So I can see bubbles coming through the plug itself. Oh, this ain't gonna want to come out at all. If it don't come out, I'm gonna shove it in. So I don't know how other people pull no good plugs out. I've never done it, never seen it done. I didn't YouTube it first. Probably should at this point, because I obviously don't know the best way of doing this. That's what it's about on Birdie Fab. More than half of it's just learning what to do, and then putting practice to test, or theory rather. Alright, did I stop it from leaking? Negative, Ghost Rider. So plan B, we're gonna shove it in there. Now half of me says, well, that's gonna throw the balance off of your tire. You know, small price to pay. So that part worked. Normally we preload the plug onto the plug insertion tool, but not today. So you just get it like halfway through, and you get your plug bond. Read entire label for complete cautions. We ain't worried about no cautions. We're just gonna apply liberally. What? Now I've seen some videos where people will like put the rubber cement on this and jostle it about inside the hole. I don't want to get my reaming tool covered in whatever that is. Alright, so again, we want to be quick about this. We're going to pull this out. We're going to shove this in. You can probably hear it. It's leaking. 1, 2, 3. Ninja skills. So it looks like I applied a little too liberally. You want to leave a little bit hanging out. If you shove it all the way in, I guess you could pull it back out. Give it a couple one or twosies and hope it stays in there. Yep. I don't hear it leaking no more. Let me grab a rag right quick. I'm just gonna clean up the churgins here. Now you want to always test and make sure it's actually sealed up. That's a win. Hashtag better than the other guy. Alright, so then we just whittle them off and fill the tire back up to the, I think this is 35 PSI recommended. And that's a win.